Alright guys, this week you have to give a mock. कैट वाले स्टूडेंट, दिस वीक यू हैव टू गिव वन मॉक. फाइन, आपने पढ़ा है, आपने नहीं पढ़ा है, आई डोंट केयर. एनी मॉक, एनी मॉक. वन बेबी मॉक देना, बेबी मॉक दे दो. एडवांस मॉक देना, एडवांस मॉक दे दो. आई एम गिविंग यू सिंपल टारगेट बाय August 20th, which happened to be my date of birth, BOD नहीं DOB. Okay, by my date of birth you have to get, I shall answer all that question. ठीक है, you have to get me 30 marks in the CAT exam. If you don't like me, no problem. By August 30, get me 30 marks. In the CAT mocks, get me 30 marks. I guarantee you, I promise you, I am call. Provided obviously we'll do better. Obviously बाकी चीजें भी करेंगे और भी कुछ करेंगे. ठीक है, 30 नंबर ला दो बस. सर मेरा ऑलरेडी 30 आ रहा है. If you're already getting 30 marks, yes, get 50 marks. If you're already getting 50, get 75. वो तुम्हारे ऊपर है. नाउ कम द क्वेश्चन कि सर मैंने अभी करना शुरू किया, स्कोर कैसे आएगा? अभी पढ़ना शुरू किया, स्कोर कैसे आएगा? ओके, आई गिव वन सिंपल एग्जांपल. I took an interview of a guy who gave the first mock. He got 37 marks, 42 marks. Sorry, he got 42 marks in the first mock. Okay, he was so disheartened. This guy have reached IIM Ahmedabad. Imagine this guy have reached IIM Ahmedabad. 42 marks in the first mock. Okay, then he did not give any mock. उसके बाद कोई मॉक दिया ही नहीं. अरे उसको ना कम आया स्कोर, he was expecting 100. उसने कोई मॉक दिया ही नहीं. After 2 months, suppose this was in July, August no mocks, September no mock. Then he gave a mock in October. Can you guess his marks? How much he might have scored? पहले में 42 आया, नहीं पढ़ा. 2 months he completed all the books. Yeah, I was expecting 80, 90, 100. You know what? How much he got? 14 marks. 1 for 14 marks. Why? Because this paper was easy. This paper was tough. In other words, do not judge your performance based on what? Based on your studies. That's the flaw here. Exactly, Jay. ठीक है, तो उसको लेके मत जाओ कि नेक्स्ट मॉक में स्कोर बढ़ने ही वाला है. फाइन, 14 मार्क्स. तो व्हाट आई वांट टू, डोंट कंपेयर द मार्क्स एग्जैक्टली. सो व्हाट आई वांट टू से इज, आप पढ़ के दो, आप बिना पढ़े दो. Ayush, you have joined us last week, you have joined us last month, you have joined us last year. There is no link between your mock score and this. For example, I think the oldest person I know who is live in this chat is Faizan. Faizan, I think if you are right, please tell me. Faizan have joined us in August last year, August 2020. Okay, Ayush is joining us this week, suppose. There's a possibility Faizan get 40 marks, Ayush get 38 marks, same marks दोनों का. So there's no link between that. Fine, so please give the mock. I'm talking about the baby mock. I'm talking about score, नहीं score. 30 marks out of 225. That's the target score. Fine, so whenever you have joined, doesn't matter at all, please give a mock this week. Fine, in seating in login ID, you have a baby mock. Give a baby mock. Fine, 30 mark is a normal mark, not in baby. Wow, beta, wow. Baby mock is not a normal mock. Normal mock में I want 30 marks, which is a 2 hours का paper. 2 hour होगा, 3 hour होगा, we don't know यार. We'll come to the next week. Within next 2 weeks, we'll come to know whether it will be a 2 hours का paper or 3 hours का paper. Most probably we'll come to know whether the 2 hour का paper, 2 hour not. ठीक है, तो baby mock is just to make you start. No problem at all. So Vikas, yes, please give the mock. And after giving the mock, I want you to do this breakup. For every mock going forward, I want to find out how much you're scoring in a history and social based RC, how much you're scoring in a science based RC. एक इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो. Just take a screenshot of this thing. I'll WhatsApp you as well. I'll send this table on your WhatsApp also. आज के बाद I have divided CAT into 10 parts. मुझे एक एक का ब्रेकअप चाहिए. How much you are scoring in a logic based DI, arrangement based set, quant based DI, calculation based DI, games, or a new pattern. How much you're scoring in a social or a history based RC, the boring RC. How much you're scoring in the business or science based RC. Okay, if you talk to me, I am very comfortable in a business or a science based RC. I'm very happy because the fact based RC. ठीक है. Whenever the history of science based RC, I'm very sad. बोरिंग. आई हेट लिंग्विस्टिक वर्ड शुरू होते मैं कट करके नेक्स्ट का बटन, दिमाग लगाने का ही नहीं. आई वॉन्ट योर स्कोर इन ईच ऑफ देम. मे बी देयर द पॉसिबिलिटी यू माइट बी स्कोरिंग मोर मार्क्स हियर. रीड, आपको लगता है वो मे बी यूर स्कोरिंग. आई वॉन्ट दैट ब्रेकअप एंड देन हाउ मच यूर स्कोरिंग इन नॉन आरसी. फाइन, देयर द पॉसिबिलिटी इज बोरिंग. आई नो यार, क्या करने यार, करना पड़ता है लेकिन. ओके फाइन. सो this is suppose out of 10 question, out of 10 question, out of 7. Sir, my RC is weak, I'm very bad in RC. Maybe in RC out of 10 you are getting 5, and in non RC question, para jumble, para completion, you are getting 2 marks. तो बेटा तेरा ये ज्यादा वीक है. Are you getting me? Shilpa, that is RC. Please don't disturb me. Let me solve this question, talk about this thing. Please don't distract me. Fine. Then DLR घुस जाओ, एक एक में घुस जाओ. Then quant में arithmetic, modern maths, algebra, geometry numbers, time speed distance, PNC. That's why in your books there are 5 books of maths. I have separated maths into 5 books. मुझे एक एक बुक में जा जाके परफॉर्म करना है. And I want that breakup. Starting में प्रॉब्लम आएगा. Obviously you will not be able to understand whether this geometry, these numbers, no problem. By the time you reaching 10th mock, we have the clear picture in front of us. मुझे क्या आता है क्या नहीं आता है. ओके, that we'll talk about later on. For the time being, let's divide the preparation into 10 pillars of the CAT exam. Fine. So these are the 10 pillars of the CAT exam. Fine. DLR, if you want, there are majorly 2 pillars. One is the logic based question, one is the calculation based question. So DI based and logic based, the 2 type of question. If you want to do that, 2 here, 3 here and 5 here, total 10. That's why you have 10 books. 3 books here, 2 books here and 5 books here. Right now Faizan, you can give 1 mock every 15 days. To start with, you can give 15 days. August aate aate, yes, every 7 days we'll give a mock. Nikhil, those are starting off, every 15 days give a mock. यार आपके login ID में there are 40 mocks. In your login ID, we have 40 mocks. Can you guess how many weeks are remaining for the CAT exam? Oh, beta ji, chalo, how many weeks are remaining for the CAT exam? Anybody want to guess? Right guess, we'll get a chocolate. 125, फिटे मुंह तेरे. 18 weeks, yes. Prince and Satyam got the answer right. 18 weeks. So look at that way. I can give 2 mocks every week. ठीक है. आप अभी ज्यादा मॉक देना स्टार्ट मत करो. आई डोंट नीड टू स्टार्ट गिविंग दैट मेनी मॉक फ्रॉम टुडे. चॉकलेट मैं आपको अभी व्हाट्सएप करता हूं 2 मिनट में. ठीक है. ओके, तो स्टार्ट गिविंग द मॉक्स. लुक एट हियर यार, 30 मार्क्स, स्कोर ऑफ 30 मार्क्स, okay, is 60 percentile. The moment you get 30 marks, your 60% competition is behind you. I think nothing can be more motivating than me than this. This is my target for August. Then by September, yeah, October, my target become this. Then in November, my target will be either 75, which is 95 percentile, or 99, which is 100 marks. ये आपके 4 टारगेट है. 30, 60 की जगह you want to keep a target 50, no problem. 30, 50, 75, 100 will gradually go up. Okay, this is marks. I believe in marks, not in score. हाँ, तो स्कोर मार्क्स ही होना, और क्या होता है स्कोर यार, क्या तुम लोग यार. ओके, हाँ, फॉर एग्जैक्ट कट ऑफ फॉर योर कैटेगरी वाइज प्लीज सी माई वीडियो. ठीक है, ceeking.com/abc, ceeking.com/abc. I've given the cutoff for I am ABC. तीनों का कट ऑफ दे दिया. एग्जैक्ट डिटेल्ड कट ऑफ प्लीज चेक फॉर ओपन कैटेगरी, रिजर्व्ड कैटेगरी. Mocks of different topic, full all topic combined. Wow, beta wow. I want to introduce from next week. We'll complete one section, and next week August के बाद we'll do that. We'll complete one area and give a test of that. That I want to do from August onward. पूरा algebra खत्म करो. We'll give a test of algebra. 5 में से यार तुम हर एक में 2-2 नंबर ला दो. Party is on. You're going to IIMS. Yeah, 10 question correct. Mota target is yes. 10 question correct, 10 question correct, 10 question correct. Okay. That's your simple target. ठीक है. All the best. Fine. So we're starting this program. Every week now we'll have a strategy discussion for the quant section, for the mocks. कैसे करना चाहिए था, वो कैसे किया, ये क्यों नहीं किया, ये कैसे नहीं किया. ठीक है. This week you have to give one mock. It can be a baby mock, it can be any mock. Okay, so we'll discuss the strategy for that. Bye.